welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Anosha. For those who are new here, don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. Today I'm sharing some pieces from Dynamite clothing. This is a brand I didn't know about until this year, but I was super surprised by how affordable the price point was, especially given the quality of the clothing. So for the girlies on a budget, this is definitely a brand to check out. I'm going to show you all the pieces I got from there and how I styled them. All right, let's get into it. So the first piece is this peacoat. This, I was so shocked when I got it because it is so high quality. Like, it's heavy, it's warm, and for the price I really didn't think it was going to be this type of coat. I love the idea of styling a peacoat dressed down, so I'm just wearing a sweatshirt and sneakers. This is definitely street style chic right here. And for the winter I would probably just throw on like a little beanie. Even like a baseball cap would look really cute with this outfit. But I love this coat. It's so warm. Honestly, I'm telling you, I was shocked. I want you guys to get it so you can see what I'm talking about because the quality is good. Like, I'm ready to go outside. All right, video's over. I'll see you guys. So the next piece is this denim skirt. Over the summer, I was searching far and wide for a good denim skirt. This one ended up being perfect. The denim is like a quality denim. It's like thicker. It's not really like lightweight. You know how sometimes you get these denim pieces and the denim is so lightweight? This is like a good solid denim. I just paired it with some boots and a little turtleneck sweater. There's another one you could throw on that coat I just featured. I'd throw on some sunnies maybe. This is what the outfit looks like with the coat. So the next piece is this long duster sweater. I love anything you can just throw on that's cozy and easy, and this definitely is one of those pieces. Again, the quality, I'm gonna just keep reiterating because when you go on their site and you see their price point, you're gonna be like, you're not gonna expect what you receive in the mail in a good way. I would style it like this with some jeans and my Birks and a t-shirt. It's casual, super comfy, and I do feel like this could be styled a lot of different ways. It's also really warm, so in the fall I feel like this can be worn as like a light jacket if it's not too cold of a day. One of my favorites for sure in my closet. Next is this sweatshirt. I left LA and now I've just bought a sweatshirt that says LA big across the front. This is just like a standard sweatshirt you throw on and go. Super easy. Most days I would style it like this with just jeans, but I styled it another way and honestly everyone loved it. I personally thought I looked like a cool grandma, but everyone was loving how I styled it, so I'm gonna show you. So I styled it with this skirt, which is also from Dynamite clothing. This is not originally how I thought I was gonna style this skirt, but one day I just kind of threw it on when I was going out with the girls, and I posted it and everyone was like, oh my gosh, I love it. And I was like, really? I just kind of threw it on. I thought I was being grandma chic. I actually do like it. It was really comfortable. I do think it's really cute. I do think this could go across ages. Like an 18-year-old could wear this, but then also I think a 50-year-old could wear this outfit. And I also just realized that's something that's kind of cool about the brand. On first glance, it looks like it skews younger, but I do think a lot of the pieces would be really good for an older demographic too. Also, just wear what you want. Doesn't matter what age you are. Obviously, the skirt would work dressed up as well. I'm not really going many places these days, so I don't really dress up like I used to. So that's everything I wanted to share with you guys. Guys, I can't believe I forgot one of my favorite outfits from Dynamite. Is this top. Look how cute this is with the like twist detail at the bust. It's super cute. And then this maxi skirt. I just paired it with some boots, but I absolutely love this outfit. I love these pieces together. I love them separate. I think they pair with so many other pieces in my closet. And I can't believe I forgot to show it to you guys. And now that's it. Definitely check out Dynamite clothing if you've never heard of it before. I think it's definitely worth the price point. I think their clothes are really cute. They have a lot of unique pieces and styles too, especially for the holidays, which I think I'm gonna grab some stuff for the holidays as well. Let me know what was your favorite piece. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.